what is best, to break the fast and then to eat, or to break the fast and then pray Maghrib?
Yani, so the food is saying is ready, and he's saying that should I break the fast and eat, continue eat, or break the fast and then you're going to pray? But when you break the fast, is eating as well. So both is eating. But you're saying to you, shall I dig in deeper? That's what I'm saying. Or that's what it says. No, you take, the best thing is just to do both. So break the fast on the time, dates. So you could take as well samosas and things like this, like a starter, which takes about 2, 3, 5 minutes. Like they do in the haram. They do this, the dugga. I don't know what it is. Very nice, as like it, mashallah, with yogurt. They give you about 10 minutes, and then the Maghrib starts. So they've done both, early prior Maghrib, and also then after the Maghrib, you could go as swim in the food if you wish, but as long as you do not overdo it, because it will not reflect good for you when you come to the Taraweeh. Now.